Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay. All right.
So, can we start?
Yes, we can start.
So, good morning, everyone. Today we are presenting our business analytic project. Joined by my team member, I'm Zhang KAIBO. Metric number is 213857.
Hello everyone, my name is SAWRON MAHIAN JALIL, my metric number 213350.
Hello, everyone. My name is ADELARD. My metric number is 21378.
Okay, next page is introduction. First, let's start with the introduction. Our project used the complete journey and data set to do three main things. The first is fan path in customer buying and campaign performance. Second is build a stat schema to make the reporting easier and use predictive model to find customers who might stop buying. And by doing this, we want to help the business make better discussion, improve ROI, and keep customer longer. And then move to our team member. Next page.
Okay, so moving on to data preparation. So it helps incorporate business intelligence, analysis, reporting, and usage of machine learning. So basically, the intention of it is to collect and transfer raw data to create an output. Next slide, please. So based on the data that we have, there is some clean and pre-processing done in order to do accurate data analysis in which there's conversion where where a transaction timestamp is transformed to a proper date format and then grouping types. So using a dropdown for A, B, and C, A, B, and C metadata to organize for more consistent organization and handling missing values in product categories and coupon redemptions by using try-catch error handling. Next slide, please. And there's also some assumptions made for a frame for measurement. So one of these is baseline sales, which is calculated from households that have not received campaigns, and the effectiveness of a campaign, which is basically the sales generated in order to in order for the ad in order to incorporate attribution, which coupon redemptions are linked to transactions within 7 days. And there's customer segmentation. So each customer are split within 20%, which is the top high value, 30%, which is a medium value, and the bottom 50%, which is low value. So it uses the formula effectiveness score, sales per household times transaction per household. Next, please. So what are the key insights I get from this project? So basically, in terms of campaign effectiveness, type A campaigns generate the most sales relative to duration. And evaluation of campaign ideas display select campaigns like 18, similar to the structure of campaign 18, demonstrate a much higher engagement. So in terms of behavior, sales tend to peak during periods of strong retail discounts, and items like beef and back snacks, for example, maintain consistently sales throughout the year. And in terms of redemption patterns, uh, it's analyzed that households who use coupons tend to spend more per transaction, thus improving campaign ROI, return of investment. So in terms of customer segments, 20% contributed disproportionately to total sales. Medium value customers, which is about 30%, maintain stable purchases and moderate response, and 50%, which is the bottom, uh, have low revenue and display limited engagement. And therefore, the recommendations that can be done to this is improve targeted coupon distribution and then develop promotions, incorporate much more much more intense marketing with premium incentive and loyalty program, and refine the campaign timing depending on what on what on what these sales are most prominent for maximum exposure. Next, please.
Okay, now let's talk about task 2 is the multi-dimensional modeling. And the goal here is to build a star schema and data warehouse. This helps analyze cells quickly, and the carry structure, we have one main table that posts cell numbers and discounts. It contains to other 4 tables. The first is the product table, and is things like category and brand, and also have the promotion table is the campaign types and compounds. Also have the household, and it's about the customer info and like the HR income. Also have the time. For time is date and time of day. And to guide this, we combine 7 original table using ITO. Okay, next page we will talk about the ITO practice. This is how we turn raw data into usable data in 3 steps. The first is extract. We took data from 7 original tables and transform. We clean it the data flags the missing info, like giving non promotional sales promotional ID, and made new things like time of day. And also we load save the data into 5 CSV files, 1 main cell table and 4 dimension tables. We also made some simple rule, like each row in cell table in the product create transition, and we select the day into morning, like 6 to 12 a.m. afternoon 12 to 6 p.m. also can the night 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. And then next page we will talk about now let's look at the what we found from the data. 1D is time of day. After has the master cell like 1600 K. So afternoons are the best time of promotions. 2D is category for months. Beef and fruit milk sell well all year, and there are care products. There are good products. 3D is category for camping for time, and this shows the beef and X knuckles work best with type A campaigns, and afternoon in the best time for promotional sales. Okay, and the next page is about the task 2. For task 2 here are our key wins. We build a star schema that lets us analyze data in manual way, and we made clean ready to use CSV files for quick reporting, and we found peak sale time and curve product and good promotion strategies. We also have the important point is set up a data foundation so the business can make the decision based on data. Okay, I will move to my team member.
Okay, so defining customer churn for for this predictive analysis, the data set did not include a direct churn variable. Therefore, a customer churn was defined using transaction recency. A household was classified as churn if no purchase was recorded during the most recent observation period, while the household that continue purchasing were considered non-churn. Churn was modeled as a binary target valuable to support surprise learning, and the recency variable used for labeling was excluded from final dataset to prevent data leakage and ensure model reliability. Moving on the next slide. This slide illustrates the predictive modeling workflow implemented in RapidMiner. First, the churn data was prepared and labeled, followed by conversion into a binary format. The dataset was then split into training and testing set. Those three machine learning modules is Navy wires, decision trees, and random forest were trained in parallel using the same data. Each model was applied to test dataset and performed was evaluated using accuracy and recall to allow fair compression. Moving on to the next slide. This slide shows the result that a random forest model achieved the highest overall accuracy. However, when focusing on recall for churn customers, Navy buyers perform the best since recall is more crucial for identifying customer at risk of churn. Navyware was considered the most suitable model for churn prediction. This allows the business to detect potential churners more effectively and take easily retention actions. Moving on to the next slides. In these slides, we are talking about insights and CEO actions. Based on the analysis, the data shows that type A campaigns generate the highest sale uplift. Discount and coupon increase basket size, and the customer activities peaks during the afternoon. Additionally, the top 20% of customers contribute the majority of revenue. And therefore, it is recommended that the CEO prioritize type A marketing campaign, straighten target coupon strategies, schedule promotions during peak shopping hour, implement loyalty programs for high value customers, and use churn prediction to support proactive customer retention strategies. Okay.
Oh, for uh, for a conclusion, so basically this project demonstrate the campaign effectiveness and customer retention through using a complete journey data set. So using EDA, we have identified that type A campaigns and staple products are the key drivers, and using the star schema provides a scalable framework in order to report, to manage, to analyze sales across numerous numerous sales, and using the predictive churn model, also known as naive uh, equips organization to identify at-risk customers and basically identify what strategies are reactive and what strategies are proactive and what could be implemented in order to prioritize type A campaigns, focusing on high-level segments and creating predictive churn management. In order to improve ROI in general, so that the combination of historical insights and predictive modeling creates a data-driven roadmap in order to align with the business objectives that the company has in order to succeed in a data-centric retail environment. Thank you very much.